Hi everyone, Camila here again. Today working on my book of flowers too. I'm still working the pops chapter, and as you can see here I have already done this page. This is a page, anatomy page of pop flower, and on the left side I have prepared this background using a hand carved stamp with the sea pod pop motif, and alternating with these other handmade drawing. And what I want to do is to create a pop collage, but something inspired by paper flowers, something with volume 3D. So I thought on create paper, crepe. I don't know what is the name of the paper. Let me check. So it's the same name as in Portuguese. It's crepe paper. Oh, it's not a crepe paper, it's a crepe paper. But I don't have this kind of paper, and but I have coffee filter, and they have kind of a similar texture, and I will give it a try with the coffee paper. My idea is to create 3 flowers with different sizes, with the same color, or at least a similar color as this one, so I can get like a harmonious pages, like sister pages. So yeah, let me show you how to create the petals. So for creating the petals, I'm gonna use these coffee filters, and I will first like create a circle here. Okay, I'll cut off the excess of paper. And then remember that you have to, so I will fold in half and then fold in half again, and I will sort of cut out a shape of petal. Something like this. Then I will cut other size, like something like that. Let's use the internal circle so I can have different size. Again, fold it in half 2 times and cut the shape of the petal. And then you can put one over the other. Maybe this is too small when I want something intermediate, like to have 3 sizes. So what I will do is to I have one of this size and the other is this small size, and I will go like intermediate size. Create this. Now I have 3 size petal, okay, something like this. And for the center, can maybe do like, I will cut off a circle like that. Oops. And then fold half again, and then do like that. Yeah, I think it can work well, right? Okay, so let's see, let's color the petals. And for that I'm gonna use watercolor. I like to color my coffee filter with Ecoline, especially when I'm creating my paper rosettes, because the color is very strong, but it would take me a long time to color all the petals, so this time I will go with watercolor. And let me see, sorry, brush. No, just can do them together just to make things quicker. So I will just dry these with my heat gun, just to show you how the petals will become when they are dry. These two are dry, and you can see that the color it's a little bit faded compared when it is wet, yeah, but I think it's still good. And another thing that I want to do is create like the texture, the kind of veins that the petals of the pops have. So what I will try to do, I don't know, this is the first time, I don't know if it will work, like do something like that. Okay, yeah, it's perfect, right? See? Let's do with this other one. And then in the end, you can have something like that. Okay, so I will make more petals. Maybe I will create one more smaller than this one, so I will have 3 sizes, and I will paint all of them, and then I will come back to show you how to put all the pieces together. So I have all my petals done, and also the center, the pistils. I think it's pistils, the name. Some of them are like with these, well, they were painted, I think, with the with the petals colors, and I also create these stems, a brown stems and not a green, just to have some sort of contrast with the background. So I will now try to see, like, to create the composition that I want. Okay, something like that. I'm trying to choose the petals that end up with a brighter color, like this. And this one. So I think I can have a small one. What do you think? Oh, the center. Let's see. I think I'm pretty happy with this, so I will cut these to make them have the same size, same length. So what I will do now is start to glue them down, but I'm afraid to use wet glue and have the things, like, you know, when you use wet glue with watercolor, things don't go that well. So I will use my glue stick And I will put the glue only on the center, like that. And you see that I will try to position the petal in the middle of the other two. And I hope this doesn't make my sketchbook go very like bulky, I guess. Oh, that's nice. So let's put these. Oh, nice. So let me clean my hands. Okay, let's see how it works when I close the book. It's okay. Let's open it again. Oh, that's beautiful, right? This is something that you never expect. You are expecting having like a drawing or a painting, but never a collage, a 3D collage like that. I'm pretty happy with this page, and I hope you have enjoyed too. You have also enjoyed to watch me creating this page, and that you get inspired to work on your journals. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!